dugsiyada nuuraddiin schools.
Hi everybody, I am Ahmed Abdi, your English teacher. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you the plurals of regular nouns. There are a number of ways that we change singular nouns from singular to plural. But most nouns take s to form their plurals. For example, letter, we add s to form its plural. Then it becomes letters. Car, cars, we add only s to form the plurals. Ladder, ladders, we add only an s. Table, tables, we add only s. Shoe, shoes, the same, we add only s. Vehicle, vehicles, we add only s. Well, the second group are added es. We do not use s to form their plurals. We add es. Nouns ending in s, sh, ch, and x take es to form plurals. For example, bus forms its plural by adding es. Bus, buses. We add only es at the end of the noun. Class, classes. In the same way, we add es. Brush, brushes, we add es. Church, churches, we add es to form plurals. Fox, foxes, we add only es. Dish, dishes, we add es to form the plural. Well, nouns ending in a vowel preceded by, nouns that end in o. Listen carefully. If the noun ends in o and you have a vowel before the o, you simply add es. You simply add s. You simply add s to the singular to form the plural form. For example, radio. Now we have o here, and before the o, we have a vowel I here. So, if a vowel precedes, that is, comes before the o, you need to add only s. For example, radio, radios, we are not adding ed here. Video, we have o plus a vowel. Therefore, we add only s. Video, videos. stereos, we add only S. But if you have a consonant letter or a consonant sound before the O, you add ES. You add ES. For example, mango. Now, before the O, we have a consonant chi. We do not have a vowel here. Therefore, we add ES. Mango, mangoes. Tomato, we have O, we have T, a consonant before the O. Therefore, we add ES here. Tomatoes. Volcano, we have a consonant N before O. Therefore, we should add ES to form the plural. Volcano, volcanoes. Well, if you have been asking why we add S sometimes to the noun is that N in O, and in other times we add ES. Now I think I have clarified that. If you have O preceded by a vowel, you add only S. For example, radio, radios. But if you have an O preceded by a consonant, you add ES. I think that's clear. Vowels that end in Y preceded by a vowel, they take only S. That is a vowel preceded by a Y, you add only ES. If the noun ends in a vowel plus Y, that is, if a noun ends in a vowel and Y, just add an S to form the plural. For example, valley. Now here we have Y preceded by E, and E is a vowel. Therefore, we add only an S to form the plural. Valleys. Key. Now we have Y preceded by a vowel. Therefore, we add only S. Keys. Monkey, we have Y preceded by E. We add only S, and it becomes monkeys. Well, there is another group of nouns that end in Y, where we change Y to I and add ES. These are nouns Y preceded by a consonant. Nouns with Y preceded by a consonant usually take IES. Nouns ending in a consonant plus Y, that's if the noun ends. If the noun ends in Y and you have a consonant before the Y, you change the Y into I and you add ES. For example, baby, baby. Here we have Y preceded by a consonant B. Therefore, we change Y to I and we add ES. It becomes babies. Lady, this word ends with Y, but before the Y we have consonant D. So it becomes ladies, ladies. Country, this word ends with Y preceded by R, country. So it becomes countries. It becomes countries. It becomes countries. We change Y to I and we add ES. Okay. The next is nouns that end with F or FE. Take fish to form plurals. Nouns that end in F or EF or EF. Take a fish to form plurals. In F or EF. Take a fish to form plurals. For example, wolf, wolfish. Now the word wolf ends with F. So we change this F to fish. So it becomes wolfish. Wife, this word ends with FE. Then it becomes wifes, wifes. Half becomes halfis, halfis. We change the F to fish. Now you do this exercise. You have to change the words. You have to change the words in capitals to plurals and fill them in the empty spaces in the following sentences. The exercise. Give the plural form of the words in capital letters in the following sentences to fill in the blanks. 1. Although our class is obedient, the other dash are not. Now you have to fill this empty space. You have about 10 seconds before I give you the answer. Well, the answer is classes. We add ES. The next one is our calf is healthier than your dash. You have 10 seconds. Calf. The answer is calves. Calves. The third one rotten tomato spoils the good dash give the plural form of the word tomato. Well, we add es and say tomatoes. Tomatoes. Well, the first one, that wolf has been separated from other dash. That wolf has been separated from the other dash. You have 10 seconds. Well, the plural form of the word wolf is wolfes. 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 The fifth one, did you say fox or dash? I want you to give the plural form of the word fox. It is foxes. Foxes. Well, to remind you the main points of our lesson today, we talked about the plural form of regular nouns. I told you that most nouns take an s to form their plurals. However, there are some nouns that take es. For example, nouns that end in s, sh, ch, o, or x usually take es to form their plurals. For example, potato, potatoes, I add es, bus, buses. But there are two kinds of nouns that end in o. Some take only s and some take es. Those who take only s usually take a vowel letter before o. Then we add only s. For example, we say we are talking about words that take only s. For example, we say dynamos, we add only one s. And that's end for our lesson for today. Thank you for watching my lesson.